Hi, I'm the soil. You step on me every day, but never see me. I'm your foundation, the bed of forests, farms, and life itself. I wish women would protect me. I wish they could stop overgrazing. I wish they could stop polluting and give me cover. Let me breathe. Nurture me with trees, but not pollution. Nurture me with grasses, but not plastics. Because when I lose life, you lose yours too. I'm not just dirty, I'm the skin of the earth, the quiet giver, the broken voice beneath your feet. But I can still heal. If you choose to care before I turn dust. This is the voice of the soil, and I hope you are finally listening. Thank you.